अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम शुरू करेंगे बुक का नेम हमारे पास है MT603। इसके जो मिड टर्म में इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs हैं जो आपको 100% आएंगे। शुरू करते हैं। While solving a system of linear equation, which of the following approach is economical for the computer memory? Iterative. The basic idea of relaxation method is to reduce the largest residual to 0. The Jacobi's method is a method of solving matrix equation on a matrix that has no zero along its main diagonal. If A is n cross n triangular matrix, upper triangle, lower triangle or diagonal matrix, the eigenvalue of A or diagonal entries of A true. If A 3 by 3 identity matrix have 3 and different eigenvalues true. Which of the following is the reason due to which the LU decomposition of system of linear equation x plus y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 2 is not possible? All are equivalent. Like associated coefficient matrix is singular, all values for first and US cannot be evaluated. Determinant of coefficient matrix is 0. So the Gauss-Jordan method is similar to Gaussian eliminated method. While using a relaxation method, which of the following is the largest residual for the first iteration on the select? Correct option is 3. Gauss-Seidel method is also known as method of successive displacement. Jacobi's method is an iterative method, हम already पढ़ चुके हैं. The characteristic polynomial of a 3 by 3 identity matrix is x power 3 minus 1 if x is the eigenvalue. That can be used to find the eigenvalue of A is the largest in absolute value. Dash we call this eigenvalue the dominant eigenvalue of A is true. In dash method, in a Gaussian elimination method, a system is reduced to an equivalent diagonal from using eliminatory transformation. The linear equation 2x plus 0y minus 2 is equal to 0 has unique solution. Under elimination method, we consider Gaussian elimination and Gauss-Jordan elimination method. Which of the following method is not an iterative method? Gauss-Jordan elimination method. An eigenvector V is said to be normalized if the coordinate of largest magnitude is equal to 0. False. Exact solution of 2 by 3 is not exist. True. When the condition of diagonal dominance becomes true in Jacobi's method, then it means that the method is convergent. Gauss-Seidel method is similar to none of the given choices, not iteration method, not Dracula-Falsy method, not Jacobi's method. Sparse matrices arise in computing the numerical solution of partial differential equations. While solving the Gauss-Seidel method, which of the following is the part of iterative solution for the system x minus 2y is equal to 1 and x plus 4y is equal to 4? Answer 1 0 and 0.74. While solving system of linear equation by Gauss-Jordan method, after all the elementary row operation, if they left also 0 on the main diagonal, then which of the following is true about the system? The system may have infinite many solutions. Numerical method for finding the solution of system of equation are classified as direct and iterative method. If the relaxation method is applied on the system and equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 1 and 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 4, then the largest residual in first iteration will reduce to 0. While using relaxation method, which of the following residual for first iteration on the system equation आपके पास given है 2x plus 3y is equal to 1 और 3x plus 2y is equal to 4? आंसर इसका 1 4. If the order of the coefficient matrix corresponding to system of linear equation is 3 by 3 matrix, then which of the following will be the order of its decomposed matrices L and U? Order of L is equal to 3 by 3 and order of U is equal to 3 by 3. While solving the system x minus 2y is equal to 1 and x plus 4y is equal to 4, if we use Gauss-Seidel method, then which of the following order is feasible to have good approximation solution? No need to recording. Have no solution. Full pivoting in fact is more dash than the parts are providing. Complicated. For the equation x cube plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, the root of the equation lies in the interval is 0 and 1. Dash lies on the category of iterative method. Iterative method में बाइसेक्शन मेथड भी है, रेगुलर फॉल्सी मेथड भी और सीकर मेथड भी है. If n cross n matrix A and B are similar, then they have the different eigenvalues with the same multiplicity. False. The Jacobi's method is a method of solving matrix equation on a matrix that has dash 0 along its main diagonal. No. If the root of the given equation lies between A and B, then first approximation of the root are equations. The equation by bisection method is A plus B divided by 2. To apply Simpson 3 by 8 rule, the number of intervals in the following must be 12. The Gauss-Seidel method is applicable to strictly diagonally dominant or symmetric positive definite matrix. Defensive method find the dash solution of system, numerical solution of the system. To apply 1 by 3 rule Simpson's, the number of intervals in the following is 2. Bisection and false position method are also known as bracketting method and are convergent. The inverse of a matrix can be found if the matrix is non-singular. Interpolation is used to represent the S del like central difference. The base of the decimal system is 10. Bisection method is dash method, bracketing method. A 3 by 3 identity matrix have 3 and dash eigenvalues, same eigenvalues. Eigenvalue of a system matrix are all real. The Jacobi iteration converges if A is strictly diagonally dominant. True. Below are all finite difference method except Newton's backward difference method. Two matrices with the same characteristic polynomial need not be similar. True. The determinant of a diagonal matrix is the product of the diagonal elements. True. The Gauss-Seidel method is applicable to strictly diagonally dominant or systematic or symmetric positive definite matrices A. True. The determinant of dash matrix diagonal matrix is product of the diagonal elements. For difference method we require set of values. True. Central difference method seems to be the given better approximation, however it requires more computations. True. So associative algorithm can be more rapid than direct method. True. Back substitution procedure is used Gauss's elimination method. The Jacobi's method is a method of solving matrix equation on a matrix that has no zero along its main diagonal. True. Power method is applicable if the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalues are linearly independent. True. Power method is applicable if the given eigenvalues are real and distinct. Simpson's rule is a numerical method that approximates the value of definite integral by using polynomials, quadratic. In Simpson's rule, we use parabolas to approximating each part of the curve. This proves to be very true. The predictor, character method, and implicit method like a multi-step method true. Generally, Adam's method are superior if output at many points is needed true. The trapezoid rule is a numerical method that approximates the value of definite integral. The need of numerical integration arises for evaluating the definite integral of a function that has no explicit antiderivative. An indefinite integral may diverge in the sense that limit defining it may not exist. An improper integral is the limit of a definite integral as an endpoint of the interval of integration approaches at the specified real number, infinity or negative infinity, or in some cases true. Euler's method numerically compute the approximate derivative of function true. Euler's method numerically compute the approximation antiderivative of a function. If we wanted to find the values or definite integral with an infinite limit, we can instead replace the infinite limit with a variable and then take the limit as variable goes to infinitely. The Jacobi's iteration converges if A is statically diagonally dominant. By using determinants, we can easily check the solution of the given system of linear equation exists and it's unique. It's true. The absolute value of determinant of A, like the product of absolute value of the eigenvalue of matrix A, true. Eigenvalues of a symmetric matrix are orthogonal but only for distinct eigenvalues, true. Let A be n cross n matrix. The number x is an eigenvalue of A if there exists a non-zero vector V such that AV is equal to lambda V. If Jacobi's method, the rate of convergence is quite then compared with other methods are slow. Numerical solution of 2 by 3 up to 4 decimal places is 0.6667. This is the correct solution. Like after 2 by 3 rule, apply numerical solution of 2 by 3 up to 4 decimal rule. A simple method used for forward difference is a triangle shaped symbol. The relationship between central difference operator and the shift operator is given by S is equal to e की power 1 by 2 minus e की power 1 by 2. Del is equal to Muller's method required dash starting point 3. By using determinant, we can easily check that the solution of the given system of linear equation exists and it is unique. ये हम ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं. या कोई डिफरेंट तरीके से भी क्वेश्चन दे सकता है, जैसे यहाँ पे डिटर्मिनेंट मिसिंग करते हैं, यहाँ पे लीनियर इक्वेशन मिसिंग करते हैं. लास्ट टाइम उसने एक चीज़ मिसिंग की थी, लाइन पे एग्जिस्ट एंड यूनिक वर्ड यूज़ किया हुआ था. टू मैट्रिसेस विद अ डैश कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, सेम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक पोलिनोमियल नीड नॉट बी सिमिलर. In dash method, in Gauss-Jordan elimination method, the elements above and below the diagonal are simultaneously made zero. इसमें हमारे पास होता ही ज़ीरो है. Which of the following is equivalent from form of the system of equation in the matrix Ax is equal to B is equal to x is equal to B inverse of A. जो आप लोग inverse method class I think 10th 9th में पढ़ चुके हैं आप लोग कि x is equal to B inverse of A, और ये inverse किस तरह फाइंड करते हैं वो भी आप लोग जानते हैं. और जब कोई वैल्यू रिसर्च जाती है तो उसके हमेशा बाद में आती है, ना कि स्टार्ट में आती है. If the determinant of the matrix A is not equal to 0, then the system of the equation will be a unique solution. Sparse matrix is a matrix with many elements are 0. How many eigenvectors will exist corresponding to the function exp into ax is equal to e की power ax when the matrix operator is differentiation infinite many. यहाँ के पास एक इक्वेशन है, इसका आंसर यहाँ पे इसी तरह गिवन नहीं है अभी, लेकिन आई थिंक 3 आंसर करेक्ट होगा. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पार्शियल पाइवटिंग वाइल एम्प्लॉइंग द रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मेकिंग द लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट एज पाइवट. Difference method or iterative methods. True. Eigenvalue of a dash matrix are all real symmetric. If a system of equation has property that each of equation possesses the one large coefficient and the large coefficient in the equation corresponding to different and non-different equations, then which of the following iterative method is preferred to apply? दिस इज गॉसेस एलिमिनेशन मेथड. ये आप लोग फिजिक्स में पढ़ चुके हैं क्लास 12 में. फॉर अ सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन कोरस्पॉन्डिंग कोएफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स हैज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट ए इज इक्वल टू 0, देन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू? सिस्टम हैज़ नो सोल्यूशन. फॉर द सिस्टम 2x + 3y एट द 3x प्लस, इसका आंसर 1 और 4 है. 1 एंड -4 ये भी हम ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं. इसका हमारे पास 1 आ जाएगा और इसका हमारे पास -4 आ जाएगा. उसके बाद ये भी आप लोग क्वेश्चन 1 पढ़ चुके हैं, इसका आंसर हमारे पास आई थिंक 3 आ जाएगा. और द सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन इज इनकंसिस्टेंट देन इट मीन इट हैज़ नो सॉल्यूशन. रिलैक्सेशन मेथड इज एन इटरेटिव मेथड. रिपीट हो चुका है. हाउ मैनी आइगन वैल्यूज विल एग्जिस्ट कोरस्पॉन्डिंग टू द फंक्शन, ये ऑलरेडी हमारे पास आ चुका है. इसका आंसर है इन्फिनाइट मैनी. द आइगन वैल्यूज द आइगन वेक्टर ऑफ स्केलर मैट्रिक्स आर द नॉन जीरो वेक्टर दैट आफ्टर बीइंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द मैट्रिक्स रिमेन पैरेलल टू द ओरिजिनल वेक्टर. पैरेलल टू द ओरिजिनल वेक्टर. इन जैकोबिस मेथड आफ्टर फाइंडिंग d1 द सम ऑफ डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ d1 शुड बी सेम टू द सम ऑफ डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द ओरिजिनल मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ए. ओके, a1 अगर हम उसका d1 भी फाइंड करें तो हमारा जो आंसर है वो सेम ही आता है. ये हमारे पास एक लेंथी स्टेटमेंट है जिसका आंसर हमारे पास आता है π/4. इफ़ f इंटू एक्स कंटेन्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक एक्सपोनेंशियल और logarithmic फंक्शन then this equation is known as transcendental equation. In interpolation is used to represent the central difference. The power method can be used only to find the eigenvalue of A that is largest in absolute value. Then we call the eigenvalue of dominant eigenvalue as A is true. Power method is applicable if the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalues are linearly independent. तो ये हमारे पास के MCQs है जो हमने आज तैयारी करनी है इसकी. ये आपके पास बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs हैं. आप लोगों को फाइल चाहिए हो तो आप लोग फाइल के लिए भी मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं.